So I kind of figured my bike had a top speed, my 125. It's top speed at like maybe 67, 68. My buddy Wayne believes not. He said maybe like 60. So I got a GPS for proof. I'm a bit shaky right now. I just kind of ran from the police. Let's see, how do I get this bigger? Right there it says max speed is 70.1, so I was actually wrong. It was faster than I thought, and he's really wrong. So this is a Magellan something, Titan 500, I think.